Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify on Instagram. To do that, first go to shopify.com and log in with your account. Here I'm going to choose my account. Now let's choose your store. Alright, so once we are in our store, on the left side you can see apps. Click here and search for Instagram. There you go. Now all you have to do is click on any application that you'd like to install. I'm just going to install this app. I'll install this app as well. Install. Here you go. Now you can connect your socials such as Instagram. And then you can set up this as well. You can daily post and click on Instagram. You can connect with your Facebook here as well. So yeah, that is how you can connect Shopify with Instagram. For watching this video, and I'll see you on